All right, good morning, everyone. Blue Sports Lino, Man Over Market, and today is May 18th, Monday, and this is the ES Morning Call and Market Overview. On Friday, made a high of 21.20 half. Didn't take out the overnight high of 21.2275, which is a all-time new high. Currently, the market's trading down about 400 points, and we're at 21.14 half. We've got a Globex high of 21.2075 and a Globex low of 21.12 and a quarter. All right. Typically after new highs are made, we get a day of retracement. So you can see this gray area. I can see the market wants to spend more time in here filling in. Also, here, all right. As Anthony stated on Friday, this rally's been made on very, very low volume. And another alarming thing to me, is the fact that the bonds have come off their lows and gold has gone up and made an overnight low or high of 1232. So that's I think the market's going to retreat. We've had some what I want to say very poor structure on the bottom, and we're going to need to fill in some bottom areas. But typically when we take a look at our pattern here, we've got a pattern of we had three lower, then two higher, working on our first higher after these two lower, and kind of as you can see, here's the top of the Keltner channel. It looks like 2130. They're still pointing up on a day basis, okay, but I think that they're going to respect that pattern and put a lower close in today. When you take a look at the 4 hour chart, we've been bouncing between the oversold to the overbought area. We never really got to the over. I mean, we kind of touched it here, and we made our new highs, and now we're kind of right here, looking to stay within the trading range that we've had from 2155 to making new highs. So I would suspect today that the market will pull back based on the fact that usually after we make new highs, we get a day of retracement. Okay. The other thing is when you take a look that we're trading um, uh, above the 20-day value area high, which is 2112.75 right here, and then the 20-day mode is down here at 2093. Um, we did not get, you know, this is the last 2 days. Um, um, 2 days, and we're talking about 2 days without overnight action. Without the overnight action, we have a gap over here too of 2103. Okay, so down to this opening here. All right, so we got a gap that we have to fill in. Um, when I look at the S&Ps for the day, we've got a high of 2118 half. I mean, the value area high of 2118 half. We're going to use 2118 as the bull bear zone. We got a low of 2114 half as the point of control, and 2115 quarter is the 2115 a quarter is point of control, and 2114 half is the bottom of value. The bottom of value. When I look at the sisters are right now currently the 5 minute pivot is trading below, and all of them are retreating after making highs. Let's go to the 5 minute here. Sorry, I'll make this a 5 minute chart. All right, so we got the bull bear zone at 2118, and we got the 5 minute pivot at 2118 and a quarter. So I think they're gonna once they get below 2113, which is sort of the middle from on Friday, I think that the market will head down, and we're going to have a day of retracement. So keep an eye on that. As far as the other markets are concerned, bonds coming off its lows of last week of 151.04. Okay, and trading inside value right now. We're going to use 155.10 as the bull bear zone for bonds. 155.10. All right. So you know there. Everyone's anticipating the rate cut, but the rate hike, but the economic numbers do not show it. Oil trading above value, trying to get back to that 62 half trade. We did roll today. I'm going to use 61.40 as a point of control. I'm sorry, 61.40 is the bull bear zone today. 61.40, and we did roll our charts over today. So you're going to get some inconsistencies on the charts. And then gold, trying to get back inside value. If it stays above here, I'm going to use 1230 half as the bull bear zone. Top of value for gold is at 1240, 1224.20. Point of control 1223 half. Bottom 1219 half. So let's use 1230 half. You know, gold and bonds starting to rally. I think that the S&P will be definitely going down today. We're down 400 points today. We're going to make that retracement after making new highs. It's kind of odd that we made the new highs in the Globex session and we didn't. We did not make a new high on the day session yesterday, and that's indicative of very low volume, unusually low volume for the market trading up here. So I'd be looking for a pullback to the 2103 area and playing the market from the short side today. Once again, our pattern has been usually on a day version. So we had two higher, we had three lower, then two higher. We had two higher, two lower, two higher, two lower. So I'd be looking for, since we're stuck in the range, still a lower trade today, retreating from the highs. All right, everybody, good luck. Stay with us on Twitter, and good luck trading today. Bye.